1 root chakra, Muladhara. I am safe, grounded, and secure. My body, mind, and spirit are rooted in stability. Sacral chakra, Swadhisthana. I am creative and full of passion. I embrace my emotions and desires with confidence. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura. I am confident, powerful, and in control of my life. I have an abundant source of energy and strength within me. Heart chakra, Anahata. I am love, compassion, and kindness. I forgive myself and others completely. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. I express my truth clearly and confidently. My voice and thoughts matter. Third eye chakra, Ajna. Throat chakra, express truth. Clearly, confidently voice thoughts matter. Third eye chakra, Ajna. My intuition is strong and I trust my inner wisdom. I see the truth and clarity in every situation. Crown chakra, Sahasrara. I am deeply connected to the universe. My mind is calm and I am open to divine wisdom. Repeating these affirmations daily can help align and balance your chakras, promoting overall well-being.
Are you interested in astrology? Then contact me.
Lam.